If you're looking for a quality bead roller that's rigid and won't flex, giving you the ability to fabricate floor pans, wheel tubs, firewalls, and inner fenders, or even lay down custom designs in door panels and seats, you need to check out the Elite Bead Roller from Eastwood, the largest hand-crank bead roller on the market. The Elite Bead Roller from Eastwood features a 3/8 thick, two-piece steel frame, which gives you the strength and rigidity you need for precise fabrication. It has a deep 27-inch throat, allowing you to fabricate very large sheets of metal. In fact, you can roll beads in the center of panels up to 54 inches wide. It has a large 9-inch crank handle with gear drive, providing the leverage and power you need for accuracy and ease of use. The toolless design makes adjusting the depth of the bead roller dies quick and easy, and with a turn of the handle, everything is locked in place. The Elite Bead Roller comes with a set of flange dies, and it uses an industry standard 7/8 shaft, which is great because it allows you to expand the abilities of this bead roller and take your work to the next level because you can add additional dies, like a set of forming dies from Eastwood that allow you to make fender flares, dash inserts, trans tunnels, and more. You can mount the bead roller on a stand or place it in your vise, which is nice because it allows you to store it when it's not in use. It will form steel up to 18 gauge and aluminum up to 16 gauge, which is what you need for auto restorations and most sheet metal work. You can also add a guide fence for long straight runs, giving you even more precision. If you're restoring a car or truck, you'll probably be doing sheet metal work, replacing floors, or fabricating your own patch panels, and a quality bead roller like this Elite Bead Roller from Eastwood not only provides strength to sheet metal, which is the key to sturdy floor pans, it will also give the metal a great appearance when you add designs to door panels, custom seats, or pickup truck tailgates. For more information or to get your Elite Bead Roller today, click the link to visit eastwood.com.